Here, right here.
At Sesame Place. There we go.
Right after this one, we'll get on, okay?
We're inside the bus.
We are inside the bus.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Big Bird's tour bus. For your safety, please remain seated with hands and arms inside the bus at all times. Please keep all loose articles secure. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Hello there, it's me, Big Bird. Is everybody ready? Hello, hold on tight. Here we go.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. The bus goes beep, beep, beep. The bus goes beep, beep, beep.
Here we go.
This sure is a fun bus ride. Come on, let's go to our class.
Round and round.
Bye.
Round and round.
Hello there.
Ready to get on.
Please remain seated until the bus comes to a complete stop and an employee unlocks your restraints. Thank you for riding Big Bird's tour bus and enjoy the rest of your day at Sesame Place.
Can I just have you guys please put your hands up?
Put your hands up, Justin.
I